ready to upgrade your wardrobe?
Dive into Myntra.
Your fashion meets fun, and every look is a knockout.
Can I really do this? Thought I doubtful, thought he clueless. Should I try it? Kya main low risk? Go for it. I can't stop, I won't take it slow. If you never try, you'll never know.
You guys know in 2007 when Myntra was started, they offered personalized products.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, wow.
But,
Okay.
yeah, that lasted around like for 2010. It was between 2007 and 2010.
It was a small startup in Bangalore itself, I guess.
No, but starting in
Startup,
my
yeah.
in my eyes, starting from a personalized, like offering people personalized, like they were targeting big
Yeah,
market. No?
like in 2007, it's a big thing to.
Myntra actually took the challenge to introduce it to people. And can't believe now they're actually trending at #1 worldwide.
I wonder how they offered like personalized product to every single customer at the
Because,
starting.
yeah.
That must be a burden for them. Like, they
I guess
imagine you have 500, just 500 customers to yourself, and each and every single one of them is asking for a personalized product and all. Just
You
imagine
know
how much
what?
expenditure it must
Actually,
be.
that time you don't have that good of a technology too. You should.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
Then they must be using some handmade product or handmade stuff that they
Yeah,
must be
yes.
having, no? Because machinery wasn't
Yeah.
the technology
Yeah.
wasn't that, no?
And who do you think was the target audience like back then?
Back then.
And there were no trends, nothing. Just people
Yeah,
used to wear
definitely.
whatever they want. A neon shirt, a orange pant, a green bag. Oh,
Yeah,
very.
Hmm.
I guess in initial phase, every company is a
Like,
little.
it was
Actually.
basically, for a corporate gifts, I think. So it was like
Yeah.
customized corporate gifts and
Yeah.
apparels. Yeah.
Mhm.
So that time it was.
Especially what? Imagine like they're making jerseys for teams. Maybe that is how they earn much
Yeah,
more.
yeah,
more
most
money.
probably. In 2010, Myntra made a significant towards a full-fledged e-commerce platform itself, and it began like offering a wide range of fashion and lifestyle product. Like, okay, so basically what Myntra is today, it started from 2010. Before that, it was customizing products for the
They
people.
were- in initial phase, every company starts with a mess,
Yeah.
a mess of interior and exterior.
Definitely.
They were trying to. It took 3 years for them to start up and like
Yeah.
test out their products
Yeah.
and test out the customer base and the market.
I heard that it was a B2B company back then. Can you imagine how difficult it is to actually contact businesses and not customers? You contact businesses and then they contact the consumers. Like, imagine.
I guess
Such a big scale
they were like they contacted retailers and then they sell the products. Like they must allow the people, the other brands to put a branding on their product. They must be just providing the raw materials of the t-shirts and all. You know that happens.
Even though
When people
Myntra-
people rebrand the product and then resell in the market. That's what happens in Amazon and all. You know that, no?
Imagine Myntra has faced so much backlash. I mean, they are producing products, but their name isn't there anywhere. Even now, can you believe? Even if we buy things from Myntra, all we get is like their brands which come under Myntra, Tokyo Talkies, H&M, everything. But nowhere you see Myntra except the packaging. But still, they're on top. Oh my god, that's like. And what was the controversy that Myntra faced? Do you guys know about that?
So I think so. What like I got to know about that it happened because a formal complaint was claimed that it was an aggressive and resembling a bear woman.
Oh.
Yeah. So the major thing was that the logo, the M logo they had a resemblance of a bear woman
Okay.
sitting. Yeah.
Oh.
So a woman called Nas Patel, I think so, she complained it about on like year 2020 to 2021. In middle of that it happened. So they changed. Actually, Myntra is so fast with its
It was
work.
super fast.
Yeah, definitely. So they changed it immediately within like 2-3 months. They did it, and they made a new logo which we use right now.
They actually lost a lot of customers, but still they gained them super fast. Like, yeah, they're back.
Yeah.
Once instantly they changed the logo and even the customers are back.
They know how to cover up their mistakes, like because the brand is
well
they
recognized.
just offer so good services and all. The mistakes can be forgotten and people can
Actually,
forget
yeah.
their mistakes.
Some people actually revolted, but some people actually understood that maybe it's a misunderstanding.
Can be, yeah. Who
It
does, I
happens.
mean, who does
Yeah.
that on purpose?
Yeah.
See,
Not
big
everyone is like
brands face-
Balenciaga.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely. So I would say like every big brand has a backlash, and
Yeah.
like Myntra has like
We have
actually it is
faced.
very surprising. Like Myntra has faced very minimal backlash,
Actually.
other than like other brands like you
when
can,
compared to
you know,
others.
yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
Actually.
If you compare to other brands, you can see that Myntra has faced very minimal, very simple kind of backlash,
Yes.
which they took over and changed it like immediately after they got to know the reason.
And I believe this all happened just because of experimental marketing. All they
Yeah,
wanted to do was try new things, and it did not work out. But
Yeah.
okay,
But
it's
I have
okay.
to give it to Myntra. Like I don't know why, but they cope up with the new technology, new coming up of the technology. They cope up with it too so much
Exactly.
faster than other brands. That's what I think, because the quality and all they offer, I know, but the coping up with the environment with which the technology changes, it is rapid. It is very
Yeah.
rapid in today's world. The new technology is coming very fast and Myntra always does the homework of theirs, like in the technology world. Yeah, there's
Definitely,
Have
100%.
have you guys noticed like AI technology just came like few months back or a year back, and Myntra already has that feature. Dude, it's so easy. You don't have to
Yeah.
type the specific style. Remove your phone, scan this. I want this.
Want this.
In one day, it's in my wardrobe. Can you believe it? I'm like, bro, Myntra, this is my go-to shopping app. I ain't getting out of my
Yeah.
house. I'm just
Definitely.
scanning. Take screenshots on Instagram. Kiara Advani is wearing this, that. I want it. Myntra.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, definitely, I would agree on that. Ki
Yeah.
We are in the same page. That we shop from Myntra like each and every day. Like you get such good things there. Like you get whatever you need. Like you can
Everything.
filterize things in that. You can filter. You don't have to compromise with your fits, and like you don't have to compromise with your background itself.
Actually.
Like you can have a plant. You can have a lamp. Like
Anything.
anything. Yeah.
Home decor,
So
self
good.
decor, everything.
Exactly, self
We
decor,
just girls,
I would
we
say,
just
yeah.
girls.
We just girls.
the best thing
Yeah.
is they focus on customer satisfaction.
Yeah.
You
Talking
will,
about-
I'm telling you, you will get what you see on Myntra.
Actually.
What you actually see, you will get it. It's not like other brands. They do show some professional photos, but you will not get the exact same.
Definitely.
There will be some difference with the fabric or with the coloring or the something like that. But Myntra focuses on customer satisfaction. That's the best part. That is the best part. And
Yeah,
that's how they
Alabya
gain.
pointed out a very good thing
Actually.
that they actually focus
Yeah.
on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see the description box also. It is
It's like you get everything
Everything,
there.
yeah.
Everything in short.
in
about Myntra.
short, simple words. The
Yeah.
fabric quality, this. The
Everything.
price, this. The look of the fabric, you get this.
Everything.
The sizing, oh my god, the sizing is great.
You get to even see what's your body type.
Exactly.
Just stand in front of the mirror, you see it on Myntra. Okay,
Okay,
that's my
that's
type.
my body
Select
type.
it. And you get that. It's so perfect. Like bodycons fit you so perfect. You're just a click away.
It's just a +1 for Myntra in Myntra for that.
Yeah.
Oh wait, Alabya,
What's up?
when are you getting flowers?
When I'm
What?
high, what do you mean?
You've not got our flowers yet, Alabya. Open your phone, open Myntra, dude. Myntra has a tie-up with FNP, Ferns and Petals, dude. You get flowers delivered within 2 hours. Right now we're in Kormangla. Until you reach your house, dude, it's at your doorstep. Cut. Open.
I need a girl to give flowers to, but come on. You have. I will keep that in mind when I.
Yeah,
Good.
keep
You're
that.
making your boyfriend material ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because like Myntra offers good stuff, guys.
What does it
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
offer?
Yeah, exactly.
Who are they targeting?
They do.
Boyfriends
Everyone.
also?
Yeah, every
Wow.
freaking one.
I guess
It's
I
like,
guess we
okay.
should change the topic for now at
Okay,
least.
okay.
Because I feel the target here, but never mind. Okay, we should talk about some quality of the Myntra or something.
Is that
Myntra
even a
has-
topic to talk about, Alabya?
Exactly.
I mean, isn't that the best part of Myntra?
It's 11 on 10.
It's 11 on 10, yeah, but
I can close my eyes and order anything. I know the quality is not going to disappoint me.
Definitely.
okay.
Like I have seen Myntra
You've worn
giving-
Myntra.
Yeah, I have worn Myntra. Like basically, I'm
You're
wearing one.
Okay,
Yeah.
I ain't, but I wear Myntra.
Definitely. You will get this on Myntra itself too.
Actually.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can. Like whatever we are wearing right now, we will get each and everything
on
in Myntra.
Like people watching this podcast, just take screenshots, put this on Myntra, you'll find the same exact fit.
Okay. Yeah.
Similar fits also you'll find, but you'll
Yeah.
find. We will not disappoint you.
Yeah, definitely. So about the quality thing, like he pointed out a great
Point about
yeah.
Myntra.
So quality doesn't have to come with high price.
Actually.
And
I feel like Myntra is a green flag, guys. It's giving affordability, premium products, pricing on point, and everything, latest trends, green
you know
flag.
what? Myntra is something which offers you international branding too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, dude, we don't have to go fly to LA.
LA.
LA will come to us. On Myntra.
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 Yeah. So yeah, it offers quality and affordability at the
Actually.
same time. Like everyone thinks Myntra offers like, yeah, the quality is there, but there's no affordability. Guys, you have to check the
Exactly.
filter option for that.
Exactly. I feel like this has become a myth now that you
But-
don't get quality while you're checking
But
out
still,
the
no.
Myntra.
There has to be like if you are wearing, people need to understand that too, because Myntra get backlash to that their clothes and all are expensive and all. But if you want quality, you'll have to pay a little bit more.
Just
but
a little
but
bit.
come on, I'm telling you, if you spend 1,500 or 1,600 in one cloth, like in
Exactly.
Myntra, that cloth will be the same as new. Like it will be like
Latest.
yeah. Even
Yeah.
after even after multiple uses.
Actually.
And whereas if you order from another, I don't want to take the name, but okay.
But
for
we
like-
got
for like- for
you.
like
We
Meesho
got
and
you.
We got you.
We're
We got
just
you.
girls.
Yeah.
We get you.
We get you.
Actually,
So,
even if you're
Myntra
a
is something we usually go check it upon and
Yeah.
we get
We-
it. We get it.
casually
Okay.
open Myntra, something
you
will
know,
go
you
to
guys
that.
play game at the night. We girls
We scroll at the night.
Myntra.
We no more scroll at Instagram. We
Instagram.
scroll only at
Okay,
Myntra.
okay. I got to know like major point.
What?
Why
Spill the
we
tea, guys,
no,
spill the tea.
yeah? Why don't we like
Let it
use
out.
Instagram?
Exactly.
Like you see the reels the
I
influencer
know.
makes.
Yeah.
Myntra got the same feature in
Myntra
it.
has got it all. Myntra
Oh
is
my
like,
God,
you
I
see
love that
what you
feature.
get. You see it, you get it. That too in
Myntra started
one day.
making yeah. Actually, she said it right, but I would add a point. Like Myntra started its making like a reel section, kind of reel section, not
Exactly.
exactly,
It was.
but
When
yeah.
did that happen?
Yeah, it happened like in a very like
Recently.
recent, very recently.
Influencers are also got
Okay, I didn't know
recognized.
yeah.
that. Tell me.
So-
I feel like influencers are not only recognized only on Instagram, even on
Myntra
Myntra.
itself,
I mean,
yeah.
dude, let's just leave our jobs and come. Let's become influencers.
influencers and we will tie up with Myntra
Myntra.
and be like,
We'll be
okay.
like, पैसा गाड़ी महंगा घर, खत्म. We are getting it all on
But still, no,
Myntra.
I'm still curious.
Definitely.
How does it help Myntra? The
Okay,
reels
so
part,
the
how-
thing
how
is,
does
Girls
that-
wanna see the front, back, corner, like chappa
Chappa.
of the product. And influencer tie-ups, na, they're actually showing us ki what's inside the cloth. Is there another layer? Is there a fabric behind?
yeah.
Or is it transparent?
okay.
Like people
Yeah.
see lining
You
to
know,
the
even
kurta. So
the
they show marketing.
so guys, do you know like what Myntra has with the marketing strategies?
Actually, Myntra has actually planned of coming up with new marketing ideas such as they're gonna host pop-up stores in like high-tech cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, Mumbai, everywhere.
I've heard of that.
And even they're hosting fashion show events. Dude, Anamika Khanna,
Hmm.
the most top branded designer, she's tying up with
so
H&M.
basically it is like a collaborative collection.
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
Exactly.
yeah. So designers collaboration partnering with renowned designers or celebrities.
Yes.
Yeah, it is like that. Okay, it is pretty nice actually. Limited collection stuff you are getting in
Exactly.
Myntra, like what you need
The
now.
collaborative part is very helpful because the celebrities, the type of people they are collaborating with, they have a huge fan base, and because of that, the huge fan base, they will get more customers, and because of their services, the customer will be retained.
Like I would say there are brand crossovers, collaborative, like that will be a really good collaboration strategy for them.
Exactly.
They are having it already.
Yeah.
They are having it, yeah.
They do that in their offers, no?
Hmm.
And do you guys know the end of Reason sale is ending tonight?
Oh,
Dude,
okay.
I'm leaving.
No time. Your fashion needs fun. And
मुस्कुराए
लैपटॉप पे देख ले
the focus goes there. The rest of it gets a little bit blurred.
Bye 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 bye.